Your Journey So Lite Scooter is here. The perfect combination of lightness, safety, and style. Let's get moving. You can put the accessories to the side for now. Let's lift it out of the box. The So Lite Scooter is just 40.8 pounds without the battery. To unfold the scooter, first sit the scooter with all wheels on the ground. Loosen the tiller adjuster knob and lift the tiller into drive position. Tighten the tiller adjuster knob, making sure the tiller is securely in position. Now you're ready to unfold the seat. Simply lift the seat back into the driving position. You should hear and feel the fold knob click into the lock position. You can place the seat cushion on top of the Velcro straps like this. And the seat back goes on like this. Press the Velcro together at the bottom to secure it in place. Insert the battery box by placing the battery into position and pushing forward while gently lowering. Make sure the rubber protector flap remains on top of the battery box. Now, let's charge her up. Put the charger terminal in the front charge port. Then plug the other end of the charger into an electrical outlet. Note that you'll want to fully charge the So Lite Scooter's battery for 10 to 12 hours prior to using it for the first time. The battery indicator will be green when fully charged. Ready to scoot? Before you do, take notice of the safety features like the horn and headlight. The speed adjustment dial lets you pre-select your scooter's top speed, up to 5 miles per hour. Turn the key clockwise to power up. Place both hands on the tiller. The throttle controls your forward and reverse speed. To move forward, use your right thumb to push the right side of the throttle control lever forward. Release the throttle lever and your scooter will come to a complete stop. To move backwards, use your left thumb to push the left side of the throttle control lever forward. When the scooter is moving in reverse, the reverse beeper will sound. But who wants to go backwards when there's another beautiful day ahead of you? The Journey So Lite Scooter. Light, safe, and fun to ride. After all, enjoying life never gets old.